Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a potentially very useful part for anyone who owns a DJI Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, or even a new Mini 4. This is a replacement arm shaft axis, specifically a set of two, one for the left and one for the right arm, made by the brand Xetilmo. It also comes with the necessary screws, which is a nice touch. Now, anyone who's had a minor mishap with their drone knows that the arms, particularly the folding mechanism, can be vulnerable. A common point of failure can be the shaft or axis that the arm pivots on. The original part on these mini drones is often made of plastic, which, while light, isn't the most robust material in a crash or hard landing. That's where this replacement comes in. The key feature here is the material. This Xetilmo replacement is constructed from high-strength aluminum alloy. The description highlights that this is significantly more resilient and durable than the original plastic part. So, not only are you replacing a broken component, but you're potentially upgrading it to withstand future impacts better. Installation is another big selling point mentioned. The product description claims it's designed for easy installation, requiring no special tools. You simply remove the damaged original axis, and, supposedly, the replacement snaps right into place. This suggests it's a repair that most drone owners could tackle themselves, saving time and money compared to sending the drone off for service or replacing an entire arm assembly. The fact that it includes the screws is also helpful, ensuring you have everything you need for the swap. Precision is crucial for a part like this, as it needs to fit perfectly within the drone's arm mechanism to allow smooth folding and unfolding and proper alignment when the arm is extended. The manufacturer states that this replacement axis is carefully designed and machined to exact factory specifications to ensure that precise fit. This is important for maintaining the drone's functionality and structural integrity. It's also great to see that this part is compatible across multiple generations: the Mini 3, Mini 3 Pro, and Mini 4. This makes it a versatile repair solution for a wide range of popular DJI drones. It's presented as a genuine repair part, matching OEM specifications but with the enhanced durability of the aluminum alloy. So, if you've unfortunately damaged an arm axis on your Mini 3, 3 Pro, or Mini 4, this Xetilmo aluminum alloy replacement looks like a very promising option. It offers a durable, easy-to-install fix that could get your drone back in the air quickly and potentially make that specific point on the arm stronger than it was originally. It provides a way to extend the lifespan of your drone by replacing a vulnerable component with something more robust.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.